Yeah, good morning, Alpine guy out here in Idaho. Got a new little inexpensive boroscope, flex boroscope that attaches to the cell phone. So we're gonna use that and see if I can actually see anything that's worthwhile, or if I wasted $30 for nothing. But what I want to look at is I have a Suburban furnace, and to get access to that furnace, I've got to take this rear panel off, and I've got to crawl way back inside there. As you can see, the ductwork on that furnace, maybe it's buried way back there. And so what I want to do is just take a look at the turbine wheel and give me an idea of the overall health of some of the internals that I might be able to see, hopefully. And there's a picture of the scope. It's a 10-foot flexible cable and USB-C connector on the end. Plugs into my iPhone 15 Pro Max and the lens on it. And let's see if we can actually see anything that's worthwhile, or if I just wasted my money on another gizmo that I'll never use again. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert the boroscope into the exhaust port and see if we can actually see any of the internals inside of the furnace up in there, just to get an idea of the general health of it, and see how the boroscope works, see if I wasted $30 or not.